morning from the Happsters. Breakfast time. I have sliced some aubergine here and some cherry tomatoes, and I'm about to cook it for a little bit. So come check it out.
I'm gonna put it in the oil. Just flipping it.
Really good. The tomatoes, the aubergine, the eggplants, yeah. A little bit of salt and pepper. There you go. Actually used a Himalayan sea salt with some peppers in them. So yeah, just a little bit of breakfast this morning from the Happsters before work. That's it. The aubergine breakfast omelette from the Happsters. Thank you for watching. Aloha. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Aloha. There you go. Aubergine tomatoes, eggplants, yes.